Hello, my foodie squad. Welcome to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of mouth-watering potato salad recipes that are not only easy to make, but also healthy and perfect for summer gatherings. Whether you are a fan of classic potato salad or looking for a vegan twist, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Let's start with the classic potato salad recipe. It's the one with eggs and a creamy dressing that's simply irresistible. Next up, we are keeping it healthy with a potato salad that's lighter on calories but bursting with flavor. For our vegan friends out there, we have a delightful vegan potato salad that's cruelty-free and oh so tasty. Let's switch things up with a sweet potato salad. That's a perfect blend of savory and sweet flavors. If you are a fan of red potatoes, you will love our red potato salad recipe. It's a colorful and delicious twist on the classic. Now, let's explore some creative potato salad ideas for those who want to take their salad game to the next level. Craving some warm and hearty potato salad? Check out our baked potato salad recipes for a comforting twist. Summer calls for refreshing salads. Discover a collection of summer salad recipes that will keep you cool on those hot days. If you are looking to surprise your taste buds, we have gathered some unique potato salad variations that are sure to impress. Elevate your potato salad game with our homemade dressing recipes that add a special touch to your creations. And there you have it, folks. A variety of perfect potato salad recipes that will impress your taste buds and your guests. For the full recipes and more food inspiration, visit our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking!